What if I...
What? Something got in your eye? I got eye drops in there. I don't know if that's in there or not, but I'm hoping that it is.
Just push against me.
Hey, if y'all digging the car content, like the video, man. Me and Puffs down here laid up under the car. One clamp down. I get the part on. Then that's gonna be that. Okay, so we got the rubber piece on with a big piece of metal, big metal pipe with some leverage. So that's on.
Screwdriver.
Somewhere down here. So now we have to get the actual spigot spout on. So that's what's going on, man. Let me see this pops. Can you see it still?
Yeah, that's actually perfect. This fucking arm, man, this working over your head.
I already know.
Right there. Man, I really would like that top back some more.
Yeah, I feel you on that. Push it back more. See if you can give it some more go. Yeah, that looks like it's doing something though.
Let me see.
Can you see it? Oh yeah, that looks flush, my guy. It looks flush over there.
Yeah, but look at this.
That's making it worse for the other side, ain't it?
Yeah.
Not necessarily.
Not
necessarily. Well, you know what? Before you do that, put that other clamp on there. We should have put that other clamp on there first.
Yes, on this presentation, this is for
I will put that other clamp on first
they're checking me out.
before you do that.
Most important, I want y'all to know this is 3 hours.
Is it behind you?
This one is for the pop. This for the ballroom dancers. This one here is for the students, my friends, my fans.
You gotta pull it down or you got it?
It's the Grub Famous DJ Dag, and you are in the mix.
Talk to me, man.
Man, what if I...
What? Ding and pop.
What if I squeeze this down? Smash it.
That's a rubber. The rubber gonna go around that regardless. You know? The rubber gonna flex. You don't want to flex the steel, you know?
I don't even think we need one on here.
I suggest it because it's not gonna be, when you put that part up on there, it's not gonna be snug because it's already flat on the top. You know what I'm saying?
No.
Look, up top right here, it's already flat. It's mashed, so it's not gonna go on there right anyways. So it's not gonna be flush when it go on here, I don't think.
It's rubber. Just like you said, it's gonna conform.
You think it's gonna conform?
What?
I mean, it should.
Because I don't see how the fuck I'm gonna get there.
But the rubber is gonna conform to this, but you would rather that than trying to make this conform to the rubber. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. You know what, go, I can get this clamp on there because this come apart.
Yeah.
So I ain't tripping on that. So I ain't tripping about the clamp.
That might even actually could help. Pull it down. You know what I'm saying? Get it in between there and pull it down. Like this.
Right. Yeah, be able
And
to.
then try to push it in there.
Okay, so I need to.
Go my neck again. Oh. How your young son?
Shit.
Body feeling more tore up than you. Alright.
Is
Get that thing around it and pull it down like a hook, like a horseshoe. And then we're gonna try to put this right on the end. Or let me pull it down and you put this on there, because I can't see from over here. I can't see nothing.
need you to forget this. We ain't ready for that.
This?
Yeah, put that down. Push this in there so we can clamp this, so I can screw this. Ouch.
Something done in your eye? I got eye drops on it. I don't know if that's in there or not, but hoping that it is.
Just push against me. Is it going?
I don't know. Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Yeah, catch it.
All right.
Okay. There is
Golly.
I'm gonna fuck up there.
Yeah, it is. This some hard rubber, ain't it?
Yeah, it's gotta be because you know gas eat up and stuff like that.
Yeah. Definitely gonna probably have to take the soap route. So what you want to do? How you want to play it?
Yeah, we definitely gotta do the soap.
And you
route.
tightened up the one already?
I did. Get your ass up there.
Yeah, let me get the second one.
Shit, it's cool. What is it? For a minute. Let me just tighten it up a little bit. And then we can move that one out the way. I just want to get it tight where it's snug first.
Yeah. Gotta ride all the way downtown. You hear me?
Huh?
You gotta ride all the way downtown and back like 4 times.
Oh, shit. That's gonna be. I'm not saying that. Shit.
Yeah. You gotta shoot down there ASAP with that Lakeshore Drive.
Turn your ass around.
Hey, if y'all digging the car content, like the video, man. Me and Puffs down here laid up under the car. Let's see what it is. One bracket. That's a bracket, or what you call that?
The ratchet.
Look, you know, I'm talking about this part. Clamp, one clamp down. I get the part on. Then that's gonna be that gas tank, man. So, yeah, man. And we're gonna keep dragging y'all on. Y'all see what's going on. We're gonna fight this part, try to get that on. And once we do, I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second. Ooh, careful now. Yep, so make sure y'all stay tuned, man. I'm trying to get everything situated. If y'all like what y'all see, drop a like, comment down below. I'm gonna holler at y'all in a second, man. Peace.